Water pollution is the contamination of water by sewage, toxic chemicals, metals, and other substances. It affects both surface water and groundwater. One of the main sources of water pollution is untreated household sewage, like plastic, paper, and toxic substances, which are released directly into waterways. In Pakistan, it is estimated that only about 8% of urban wastewater is treated in municipal treatment plants, and the rest is drained into natural water sources without any treatment. In Pakistan, the major contributors to water pollution are the textile, pharmaceutical ceramics, petrochemicals, sugar and food industries, steel and oil mills, fertilizer factories, and leather tanneries. Agricultural waste like excess fertilizers and pesticides, which gets washed away to water bodies near agricultural land, are also major causes of water pollution. The three main effects of water pollution are rise of pathogens, water poisoning, and damage to ecosystem. Untreated sewage that enters drinking water system carries pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and other disease-causing organisms. Pathogens can cause serious diseases, causes like hepatitis, diarrhea, typhoid, intestinal worms, and cholera in humans. Sewage and industrial and agricultural effluent all contain toxic chemicals and metals that can poison humans, other animals, and plants. Some cause immediate illness, while others have long-term toxic effects. Water pollution can damage water ecosystems. Loss of ecosystems leads to loss of biodiversity, or the loss of a variety of plant and animal life. Sewage and industrial toxic waste can increase the acidity of water, besides interacting with sediment, to release heavy metals which can kill or cause disease in aquatic life. They can also affect the reproduction of fish,